Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the Honeywell Home Pro 2000 digital programmable thermostat. And this is a great thermostat, very nice LCD readout, easy to read. And let's go ahead and fully program this device on this video. I also have a manual override video as well as the setup menu and factory restore on this device. But this video is going to be covering how to program this device for 7-day schedule. So the very basics of this thermostat are that you have these set of 3 buttons here. You have the up and down arrows for your setting your set point and making adjustments, and these 2 switches. So the fan switch, you want to have it in auto. So you have on and auto. So keep it in auto. That's the preferred mode you want to be in, so this thing automatically functions depending on what mode it's in. So another thing to consider is that when you program this device, you're going to want to be in cool or heat respectively. So each one's going to have its own schedule. So be sure to set the heat schedule and as well as the cool schedule, which is going to be different. This unfortunately does not have an auto changeover at all. So you will have to manually come over here and select it from heat, off, or go to cool. So we're going to go to heat. It applies the same way to cool as if you were making these adjustments. So it works exactly the same. So in order to set this up for programming, go ahead and hit the set button here. Hit it once. Now you want to set your time. So we'll go ahead and set the time. Hit set one more time. And now, as you can see, the day will flash. So go ahead and set the day now with the up arrows and down arrow. Today's Sunday. And we're going to go ahead and hit set one more time to advance in the menu. So now, as you see here, we have a block. This is going to do Monday through Friday as one block. So you have 4 periods of the day: wake, leave, return, and sleep. So you're going to have to figure out what you want to do for a start time for each one. That's something that might take some time. Just figure out what you want to do. We're just going to leave this for a 6 a.m. here. And then as you continue on, you will now have your set point. So we're going to set that to 72. Hit it one more time. Now it's going to go on to the next time period. As you can see, it went from wake to leave. So you will have to do this for every single period of the day for this block. And then as you can see, once I set this the way I want it, say, okay, I'm just going to keep on advancing through the days. I want to get to the next block. So as you advance to the next block, you will see that Saturday and Sunday have lit up here on the screen. You would do the same thing, set your times, set your set point temperature that you want, desired temperature you want for that time period of the day, and then keep on cycling through this with the set button and making your adjustments until you are completely done. Once you are completely done, it's going to go to the main screen, and you know now that you're ready to go. So this might take a couple tries of figuring out what time and temperature you want for certain zones of the house, whatever it takes. I have an Excel spreadsheet because I have multiple thermostats, multiple zones in the house to keep track of this. So it really helps me out figuring out what's what. But that there is the full programming of the device. It's very simple. This thermostat is easy to use, and it does heat or cool. So please check out my other videos for the manual override as well as the setup menu and factory reset. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.